Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a comer backer, please comment and thumbs up. It really helps the channel and gets the videos out there. So I am a little sweepy tonight, so I am going to make a pantry meal. And what I have here is some hot dogs, but you could use, to make it a complete pantry meal, you could use the Vienna bites that are already sliced if you have cans of these, or get your regular ones and slice them up. And we are going to use a box of chili macaroni hamburger helper, so it doesn't get any easier than that. I'm just gonna brown these hot dogs first. It's 5 hot dogs. Super easy, super fast. If you can't cook, you could cook this. Just follow the directions on the box and brown up your wieners and you're good to go. And you don't even have to brown up the wieners. You could just throw them in there. I think these would be better if you browned them up first, but everything has more flavor when you brown it up. Just a quick and easy dinner tonight. I got up super early and started canning. And after I finish this dinner, I have our names for the cookbook drawing, and I'm going to get that posted after dinner. Here's our stuffed bell peppers. I have never had this chili mac hamburger helper, and you could always just do this with cook some macaroni, heat up a can of chili, and throw your chili in with your hot dogs, boil some macaroni noodles, and just mix it all up. So let's see. Cook your meat. Well, we're not having hamburger, we're having hot dogs. And all we need is 2 3/4 cups of hot water. You just put the water in there and add the sauce mix and pasta. I think we can handle that. Could have swore the pasta used to come in bags. Now it's just in a box. Great. And if you wanted more of a chili flavor in this, I don't know how chili flavored it is, you could always add some chili powder. Okay. Add our water. add our package. And you could heat up a can of corn. You could add some black beans to this to bulk it up. All sorts of things. All day today I've just been a mess in the kitchen. Get that dissolved. I don't know if that's seasoning or if they have bell peppers in it. I don't know. I have never had this. Might be dehydrated bell pepper. I see a few of them in there. Add our noodles. Bring it to a boil. Then turn it down to a simmer. Stir it occasionally. And that will be supper. So I'll be back when this is done and we'll taste it. Okay, you guys, I've decided to add a can of Hormel chili because it just looks like it needs something. I'm going to top it with some onion. You could top it with some cheese. I've got a bowl of chili cheese dog mac. Because it doesn't look like they put a lot of noodles in there. Let that come to a bubble. Test my noodles and dinner will be done and we will taste it. I think that's going to help. And like I said, you can use any of your canned meats. You can use your canned hamburger, store-bought or homemade. You can use your Vienna sausages, your Vienna bites, shredded beef. You can just use some black beans, whatever, to bulk this up and feed a family. So I need this to make me 3 meals, and I think we'll have plenty, 3 to 4 meals, lunch and dinner. So, and I added a little bit of this chipotle seasoning. I'm gonna dice up some onions, and I have some cheese sauce in the fridge I might put on mine. So we'll be back when we're trying this out. Okay, there's my bowl. Added a little bit of cheese sauce, a little bit of sour cream, some onion. So let's give this a whirl. Stir some of that in there. Get a little bit of hot dog, a little bit of macaroni, some onion, blow on it because it's hot. That's doable. So there you go. Pantry meal. Try it. Doctor it up to your liking. Bulk it up to feed your family. And yeah, just thought I'd share. Was experimenting to make a fast dinner tonight. So you all take care. You stay safe. You stay healthy. And I will see you in the next video drawing.